Hello, this is Joseph Zhao, and welcome to the fifth and final installment of the trade policy videos. In this video, I will go over how the judicial branch has or might potentially impact trade policy in America. Let's get into it. Because international trade is such an important aspect to America, there's actually a court made specifically for this. The Customs Court Act of 1980 equipped the federal judicial system with a court to deal specifically and efficiently with complex problems arising from international trade litigation. The act clarified and expanded the status, jurisdiction, and powers of the former United States Customs Court. That court today is called the United States Court of International Trade. The judicial power of the U.S. Court of International Trade is exercised by a single judge to whom the case is assigned by the chief judge. When a case involves a constitutionality of an act of Congress, or a presidential proclamation, or an executive order, the chief judge may assign the case to a three-judged panel. From there, appeals from final decisions of the court may be taken to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit and eventually to the Supreme Court. The current state of American trade policy is highly protectionist, which is protecting domestic industries against foreign competition by means of tariffs, subsidies, import quotas, or other restrictions placed on the imports of foreign competitors. In March of 2019, the U.S. Court of International Trade allowed for Trump's tariffs on steel imports into the United States. However, there was a case brought by a group of companies in the steel industry who say that they were harmed by the 25% tariffs on steel imports that Trump ordered. Those tariffs have collected approximately $4.5 billion as of July 2019, and the group wrote that that amount of money significantly understates the irreparable and ongoing harm to their business. The case was brought to the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court announced that it would not hear the challenge to the steel tariff. Despite this group making these claims, overall, the protectionist trade policy in America has significantly helped the American manufacturing industry as it has brought back millions of jobs from foreign countries. The losers of this trade policy would be the foreign countries who now have to pay essentially a premium to have their goods be brought to America. That concludes today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.